In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress staging site on Siteground. Let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Siteground website. Simply open your web browser and type in Siteground's URL. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and make sure to have your login details handy, as you will need them to access your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to register so you can follow along with the rest of the steps. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your My Siteground account. This place is essentially your command center for everything related to your site hosting at Siteground. Here, what you're going to do is look for the Websites tab. Once you spot it, click on it, which should bring you to a list of all the websites you have hosted on Siteground. Find the specific site you want to create a staging environment for. Next to that website, you'll see a button labeled Site Tools. Click on that to get into the management area of your selected website. Now you're in the Site Tools section. This is where a lot of the magic happens. It's a robust area filled with features like email management, file manager, and much more. But today our focus is on WordPress, so navigate to the WordPress section. It's usually prominently placed on the left-hand sidebar. This section allows you to manage everything related to your WordPress installation, including the powerful staging tool we're going to use. With the WordPress tab open, find the option that says Staging. Clicking on it will make the staging features available to you. The staging environment is a great way to test changes to your site without affecting the live version. It's crucial for any site owner who wishes to try new plugins, updates, or design changes safely. Once you're in the staging area, follow any prompts to create your new staging environment. Siteground usually makes this process pretty straightforward and user-friendly. The installation process may take a few minutes. After it's done, you'll have a separate version of your website that you can experiment with. Remember, any changes you make here won't impact your live website until you're ready and have chosen to implement them. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a staging site for your WordPress site on Siteground. You can now experiment, test, and optimize your website's features confidently, knowing your live site remains unaffected. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.